Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 11th. We are going to take a look at Palantir stock, what it did today. I'm not a financial advisor. I just like to do technical analysis for fun, and I share it with you to learn so that we can learn from each other. So let's look at what Palantir did today. Great day for Palantir. I was waiting for that day for a long time. So Tesla is a buy. Palantir is a buy for me. Tesla is also a buy for me. If you watch my other video, you will see that I bought Tesla, but I also bought some Palantir today. So let's take a look in more details. So basically, Palantir closed at 26.73, up almost $2 for 8%. And if we look at the post market, it's basically maintaining itself, losing only 1 cent. That's nothing. So we've been watching this resistance line. So this resistance line has been drawn from the top of the wick of the candle on the 27th, and also touched this candle here. And basically, this was where we drew this resistance line. Then we saw that yesterday Palantir tried to go across it, but then came back. But today it's a definite break of the trend line. So it's a clear break of the trend line. So you see nothing touches it and nothing crosses it. It's a green candle. I love green candles. It's a small one, but it's perfectly fine. What else can I say? I started drawing this little support line here. So I was trying to see, is there a support that we can see here? There's a small support here. If you look at this, we have a candle that's touching it from the bottom, and we have a candle that's touching it from the top. So basically, this is a resistance, this is a support, and now it's becoming a support again. And also, this was a support for this one. So I think that this horizontal trend line is really interesting, and it really shows that the stock went down. And yes, it crossed this resistance line, but also I don't think the stock is moving sideways, because when you have a resistance line like this, let me draw it on the screen. When you have a resistance line like this, the stock can still break it, but remain horizontal and do nothing. So that's really not good for us. But because of this resistance line that I just drew, it means that the stock is breaking it and going this way. So it's going up at the same time. So this is why I quite like this chart today. And let's look at the indicators. The indicators, if we look at the stochastic has been under 20 for a long time, and now, boom, it's breaching 20. So this is a buy signal. If the stochastic crosses 20 going up, it's a buy signal. So, and it has been doing it in a very linear fashion. I like to see this. I don't know how else to express it. I just like to see this. And also something new that I'm showing you guys today. I've also done it in my Tesla video I did a few minutes ago. I am showing you that we can draw trend lines on indicators also. So if I draw a trend line on the stochastic like this, resistance, then boom, we see that the stochastic has also broken the resistance on the stochastic resistance. So this is really beautiful. The MACD, if I look at the MACD, the blue line is at -1. If I look here, so the blue line is at 1 minus ads. The blue line is at minus 1.43. The red line minus 1.45. So the blue line is higher than the red line. So this is a nice signal from the MACD that things might be reversing. And the DMI still has not crossed because the green line is at 23 and the red line is at 24. So it has not really crossed, but I think it's pretty good. So the signals are pretty much all there. Of course, it would be nice if all the signals were there all the time, but that's not really how it works. So the more signals in your direction, in your buy direction, the better. So I feel pretty good with the signals that we are having right now, personally. So today, just before the close at 4, I bought some Palantir. So full disclosure, I am now long Palantir. You make your own decisions. If you don't want to come in now and you want to wait until all of the indicators are showing the same thing, that's your decision. I'm just here to tell you what I'm doing. It's helping me think. It's helping me think to think out loud and share what I see with you guys. So long Palantir. So I hope this will work out good. I'm very hopeful. I think the company has great fundamentals, really great fundamentals. This is one of the reasons why I only do 2 videos. I do the Tesla videos and I do the Palantir because I think Palantir will be a stock that people will be talking a lot about in the future, and I wanted to start talking about it now. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment. What do you think about what I just said? Do you agree or you don't agree? And we are going to talk tomorrow. Goodbye.